Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel, Triambakeshwara Realtors. Today we are going to visit an exciting property. As I promised you yesterday, we are back with a property which is built in 180 square yards, faced towards east. And the speciality of this house is it is located in a gated community which is in HMDA layout. And the location is in Hayat Nagar. So guys, I felt this house is very special. It's such a huge. So guys, there is a false ceiling design in the car parking area. There's a huge car parking space, so you can park up to 2 to 3 cars easily. So this is the main door of the ground floor portion, guys. So here there's a wash area, but they have not placed the taps still yet. So guys, this is the setback area, the right side of the house. As you can see, there's a huge space for car parking. So guys, this is the setback area to the left side of the house. And guys, this is the main door. And this is the false ceiling design. So now let's go into the house. And the flooring is of granite and the false ceiling design in the hall. And this is the TV unit cabins in the hall. So guys, these are the windows. You can see there's a huge ventilation. Even there are many houses here. So guys, you can see this is all of granite. So guys, this is the hall. And guys, this is the puja room. The puja room is, so guys, this is the kitchen platform. As you can see, this is the kitchen. To the left side there is kitchen platform, and to the right side there are cabins to store things. There are many cabins, you can store many things. So guys, this is the setback area to the left side, which I've shown you in the beginning of the video. There's a huge ventilation for the kitchen as well. So guys, this is the common washroom, and it has Indian style commode. And this is the bedroom, guys. So this is the false ceiling design in the bedroom. And these are the cabins, and there is a window between the cabins. There are many cabins, you can store many clothes, things, whatever you want. So guys, this is the bedroom. There's a low roof. And guys, so downstairs it is a 1 BHK portion. You can give it to rent, or you can use it for yourselves. So guys, now let's go to the first floor. I think you'll be amazed by seeing this. I promise you, I have not seen such a construction yet. As I visited many properties, but I have not seen such property yet. So guys, this is the first floor and false ceiling design in the veranda. And guys, this is the gated community. The houses are building, they are yet to be built soon. So guys, this is the main door, and it's fully furnished. It's not done. When it's done, you'll be amazed. So guys, this is the setback area to the right side. You can call it as also a balcony, because there's a door from the hall. So guys, this is the hall, seating hall. So guys, there's a false ceiling design, and there's a kind of arch, you can store some showcase things. And guys, this is a window in the sitting hall. And guys, this is the TV room or drawing room, you can call it as any way. So this is the window, and here there's a door way to the balcony or setback area, and there's a space to place TV. And so this is 3 BHK, guys. So this is the kitchen, dining room, and puja room. So now let's look into the dining room first. So this is the dining room, guys, and this is the open kitchen. The kitchen is very huge. You can't believe this. I personally love this kitchen very much. So guys, these are the cabins. You can store many cabins, and it will be delivered as fully furnished. And this is the speciality of this house. So here there's a separate balcony for kitchen. You can dry clothes or wash clothes, and then there's a low roof. And guys, now this is the dining area as I've shown you, and this is the puja room. This is the puja room, which is huge, which I have never seen before in any house. See guys, you can see. I personally love this house very much because I have many reasons, because he have built in such a way that no more builders do it with this cost. And that is the same house, but it looks a bit different. I'll be showing you in the next video. So guys, now let's look into the bedrooms. So guys, there's a common washroom and 3 bedrooms and 1 attached washroom. So guys, this is the common washroom. It has Indian style commode. So this is the common washroom, guys. It has very good ventilation. You have given a geyser connection and everything. And this is the master bedroom, guys. This is the false ceiling design in the master bedroom. This bedroom is very huge. So guys, this is the window, and these are the cabins. That is the he have given a space to store the wardrobe or birwa, anything you call it as. So this is the lower roof, guys. And this is the attached washroom. The washroom is very spacious, and it has western style commode. It's still not placed yet. So guys, this house work, everything will be done in most probably 1 or 2 weeks, so you can move into it. See guys, so this is the children's bedroom 1, and that's a false ceiling design, and here there's a window. So guys, these are the cabins where you can store things, clothes, or whatever you want to. And there's an attached washroom in the children's bedroom as well. So guys, this is the washroom. Here a pillar between the commode and the place where you can bath. So it has Indian style commode. So guys, now let's go into the children's bedroom 2. It's also actually spacious. See guys, this is the children's bedroom 2, and this is the false ceiling design, and these are the cabins to store things, and this is also very spacious. So guys, this is the house which I wanted to show you people, and I hope you liked it very much. So guys, when it comes to the price and amenities, all the amenities are available in this gated community. There's an underground water connection and drainage, 30 feet road, everything is available. And when it comes to the price, guys, I think this is the house which have experienced in a very good loving way, and felt the price is very reasonable for it. So guys, now it's time to reveal the price. The price is 71 lakhs. And guys, I hope you liked the video. Please do watch, share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching the video. We'll get back to you tomorrow with an exciting property. Jai Hind.